Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be learning that how we can scan IPv6 IPs in Nmap. Now let me tell you that by default, Nmap will only scan IPv4 IPs. Now, it might be possible that your host or the target IP will contain IPv6 IP and you will need to scan that IPv6 IP. So, for scanning IPv6 IP, we have to tell Nmap that this IP is a IPv6 type. So let me show you how we can do that. Open your terminal and type this command, that is nmap space minus sign and 6. Now minus sign and 6 stands for IPv6 IP address. So Nmap will know that it has to scan the IPv6 IP. Give it a space and copy the IPv6 IP. Now let me show you how IPv6 IP looks like. So this is the example for the IPv6 IP. Now I have just found this IP from some random website. So I think this IP will not be in active state, but my purpose is to just show you that how we can scan IPv6 IP in Nmap. So I have copied this IP and I will simply paste it. So you can see this is our final command, that is nmap minus 6 and the IPv6 IP. Let me hit the enter. Now as I told you that I don't know that this IP will be in active state or not, so it says that the host is not up. Okay, that means our IP is not in active state. But when you have your host in active state, Nmap will perform its regular scan. So in this way we can scan IPv6 IP in an Nmap application.